Morning, guys. So I am rushing out right now. I am going to be doing my lashes for the first time. I'm not sure how to think or believe or expect, but I'm going with an open mind. I'm pretty excited. I know that because I'm like, do things at least once, experience things at least once. I don't really have short lashes. I would like to probably have thicker lashes because thicker lashes do the thing. But yeah, I'm gonna go right now. I'm actually late because I had to do a couple of errands, but she lives around the corner. Catch you guys soon.
So I hear.
Yeah, lash come on there. You have lash where you no flash. The glue and all of that, and it strips the lash line, the lash of oil. Right, so we're now prepping. Let me know if you feel anything. You're not supposed to. Now I'm gonna go back in the area and tape. So.
This is a whole operation.
Yes, it is. Because they have to prep. So part of the time is, see there, it absorbs the nuts.
They're gonna tear it up. No, my eyelashes aren't that bad.
No, they're not. They're nice. Very nice. Alright, ready?
Do I open my eyes or close
No, you
them?
close them.
Okay.
Keep them closed and feel free to sleep.
Hey.
way to get gas. Just finished doing my nails. I enjoyed it. I mean, it was personal nails, but at the same time, it's different when you go to get it done professionally because